All right. Hey, everyone. It's Christmas Eve 2024, and Canada Post has brought me a little something in the mail. It is. This is from Pacific Western Rail Service in BC, and I think it's what I had a bunch of stuff on order there, and instead of having little shipments sent out, they allow you to pile the stuff up in their goodie box that you buy, and then every once in a while when you get enough stuff in there, you get it all shipped out. So that's what I've done. I had to cancel part of the order, which was for those, I mentioned last time, those Walthers structure lights that I didn't realize until after I ordered them that they're not LEDs, so I don't want them. But let's see what we got in here. Woohoo! Da-da-da-da. Whole bunch of order slips and credit card receipts. Let's not look at that. Some lovely packing paper. And okay, what have we got in the box? All right, I got yeah, they had a bunch of stuff on sale, so I picked up a few little odds and ends. I got a 20-foot CN shipping container, since I model CN. And this is a Walther Scene Master. That's a nice looking little container. I don't think I've ever seen one of these out when I've been train hunting. But it's 20 foot, it says CN container on it. And doesn't have much as far as with printing on it. There's the detail end. It's got the latches picked out in silver and a little bit of printing on there, not much. There's not much in the way of detail on this thing, but that's okay. It can just be a background item. Not everything has to look perfect on the layout. Oh, and I'm so glad I got more of these. Now I can do up my my slave, my what do you call it? My GP9 and slug. I was waiting for these magnetic MU cables so I can join them up. I've got the Sargent couplers I want to put on them, and I've got the magnetic air lines that Pacific Western makes, or NARC, North American Railcar. I've been waiting for the MU cables to come, so that's them. I got some more of these Atlas LED tall trackside lighting, single arm, square light, black. Oh, I got cool white from them. I'm gonna have a mix then. And these are the doubles, so I got singles and doubles of the 30-foot tall lights, both in cool white. So I'm gonna have a mix because all my other ones are in warm white. But that's okay. It's good to mix stuff up every once in a while. What else we got here? Real quick. Okay, I got replacement wheel sets. So these are the Rapido. Are they 33 inch or what size are these? Yeah, 33 inch. So these are the 33 inch wheel sets from Rapido, but they're the fine tread. So they're the RP25 code 88s instead of the code 110s, the normal ones. It means the wheel tread next to the flange there is a finer tread. It looks way better on a car when you're looking at it from the end on a siding. And what I got here? Walther Scene Master. I got something Walther's Scene Master, scenery, figures, vehicles, and more. Number 949-4176. I think that might be. Oh yeah, that's the road barricades. So yeah, I got some stuff for detailing alongside the roads. That's it for this one. Just a quickie little update with my little mini container. It's so cute. And I love my wheel sets. My wheel sets make the car look so much better on the tracks. It's a quick change up, and since I use Pico turnouts, they'll work just fine. I don't think they work with Walther's turnouts because Walther's turnouts are so out of gauge that the wheel sets will drop down inside the turnout, the guard, or yeah, not the guardrails, but the rails on the point rails. Because I don't know why, but especially with the curved turnouts with Walthers, they go way out of gauge on the points. I guess it's to allow longer engines and cars to run through their points without any hitch at all, but that's okay if you got big fat wheels, unprototypical looking wheels on them. But if you got the finer scale ones like these, those cars will just drop down and you'll have an issue. But Pico aren't like that. They're all built to a standard at the Pico factory in England, and they're a good group of engineers over there designing and manufacturing them. And they're manufactured under a lot closer scrutiny than the stuff we find coming over from China. Just the way it is. And these MU hoses, fantastic. I want to wish everyone a wonderful Christmas and hope you have a happy holiday and have fun with your trains. Take care, all.